Okay guys, let me show you the material I got for the seat. This is simulated ostrich skin. It's kind of like a caramel color. And this is what the batting looks like. I already got 2 layers of batting on it. I got my bracket done underneath. Let me pause you. I'll show you how I put the batting on. Okay, what I use is this stuff here. And you just get your batting. Lay it down. Put one more on. And this is actually 4. Okay, let's pause you. Now we'll spray our sides. This is instant tack. This is headliner glue is what I'm using. Pause it. Now when you staple the upholstery on, it's going to go over all this and none of this matters. The vinyl, we're going to heat it up and we'll stretch it. There you have it. It's ready for the vinyl. What you want to do is run your hand down it again. Catch you later.